Did you know certain scents can instantly reduce stress, improve sleep, and even boost focus? Welcome to the world of aromatherapy, a natural way to heal the mind and body. Aromatherapy is more than just pleasant smells. It's a science-backed practice that uses essential oils to influence emotions, relax the nervous system, and promote overall well-being. For example, lavender is famous for its calming effects, helping with anxiety and sleep. Peppermint boosts focus and eases headaches, while eucalyptus clears congestion and promotes deep breathing. Whether used in a diffuser, added to a warm bath, or applied to the skin, essential oils can naturally enhance your mood and energy levels. But how does it really work, and which scents are best for your needs? Keep watching, I'll break it all down. Aromatherapy works by stimulating the olfactory system, the part of your brain connected to emotions and memory. When you inhale essential oils, they send signals that can trigger relaxation, energy, or even pain relief. Here are some top scents and their benefits. Lavender reduces anxiety and promotes deep sleep. Citrus, like lemon and orange, uplifts mood and boosts energy. Rosemary improves focus and memory retention. Chamomile eases stress and supports relaxation. Using these oils in diffusers, sprays, or even inhaling them directly can transform your space into a stress-free zone. And the best part? Aromatherapy is a safe, natural alternative to medication for managing stress, sleep issues, and even chronic pain. Aromatherapy isn't just about smelling good, it's about feeling better, naturally. Whether you need to relax, focus, or sleep better, essential oils can make a real difference in your daily life. Want a step-by-step guide on how to use aromatherapy effectively? My upcoming shorts will break it all down. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. If this video helped you, please like, share, and drop a comment on your favorite essential oil. And for more wellness and self-care tips, check out my channel. Let's embrace natural healing together. Thank you for watching.